This is a typical Bollywood film, but lately all Indian films have started having a little more realism to them. So we try and maintain that, though of course keep all the masala, the cabaret quality of our films intact. There is singing, there's dancing, this part of our culture. So somewhere down the line I think it's going to showcase the city, and the city is going to be most inherently important to us as a character, as an actor actually. So this mix has been happening lately in a lot of films. You know, films are being set, even the last one I did, My Name is Khan, it's a film about traveling in America. It's not that we've gone to America or we've come to Berlin just to do a song. And I think that's more appealing, you know, when a viewer sits down and watches a film. So that's the kind of trend. Though I was quite happy if you just cut to a song also in Berlin. I'm just happy to be in Berlin, Dorothy. I love Berlin. So for me, even if Farhana told me now, stand on top of the tourism bus and dance, I'd do that. As a matter of fact, I think we should do that also. That's one part that I'm missing. Yeah. What is beautiful about the psyche of Indians is that they do respect our films a lot. We love our cinema, like I'm sure even German people love their cinema and Hollywood is loved all over. But we love our cinema, respect it, enjoy it, and a lot of it is watched with the essence of wanting to do or be or reach the places the protagonists or the actors or the story takes us. So it's very heartfelt. You know, in 2 years I was telling Priyanka and everyone, we're going to be 100 years old as a filmmaking nation, 2013. And film forms a huge part of our culture. So when we see something in our films, whether it's the clothes, whether it's the hairstyle, whether it's the lines, you know, very few places in the world the dialogues are taken on as much as they're taken in Hindi films. You know, people remember them, the songs, and of course the locations and the areas that the main story takes us. So I truly believe, and I'm not just saying it because we're in Berlin, you people have been really warm and wonderful. Every day we come out of the hotel and there's so many wonderful Germans and Berliners. Berliners they're called? Berliners? People from Berlin? Okay. Berliners who meet us and they're so kind to us, making us feel so wanted here. So all this can make me feel a little biased and say, yes, I hope a lot of people will come here. But I truly believe this, that I would, you know, have my next holiday here. My family's coming, all our families are coming actually. And we are in a certain sense very proud, and please don't take it wrongly, in a certain sense I'm very proud that we have discovered Berlin for all the Indians. And you know, you haven't seen the city, it's so cool, it's got this mix and it's modern and it's got history, it's got culture, it's got these gardens, it's got, you know, such amazing stuff. I've not even really looked at it. So we're very proud and waiting for everyone who's related to us to come to Berlin. And after that, inshallah, after the film is released, I can assure you, I truly believe that a lot of people would love to come, and I think deservingly so, because Berlin is so wonderful and people are so nice. I think deservingly so a lot of people should come here from India and that part of India wherever Bollywood is seen. First of all, I'd just like to thank everyone, especially everyone in Germany and in Berlin, to be as warm as every time I come here. It's very cold, and then I feel the warmth of wonderful German bodies against me, and I'm really happy to work in this atmosphere. And of course, Mr. Kika, Mr. Gorkha, Mr. Matthias, and now we have Florian on board who's acting with us, and all of the people here on stage and some who are not here. I think it's a great experience, one, because you people are all so wonderful, warm, and have a great sense of humor. So a lot of things that I tell Dorothy and Kirsten seriously as a proposal, they just laugh it off. But I'm still trying to date them. I'm here in Berlin to date all the wonderful ladies who are on stage. Except Priyanka, who's prettier than Berlin, as we have just been told, Kirsten just told us. But it's great to come and work here in a city which has been so wonderful to me every time. My first time here was just one night, and I came in and flew back. I was incidentally shooting Dawn 1 that time in Malaysia. So I'd flown in from there, and when I got back, so I've always seen Berlin at parties with red carpet and all of you clicking pictures. So it's really nice to come here and work. Everybody's professional, but I'm really enjoying the party. I'm really nice. I'm having a great time. So thank you, Berlin, and thank you, Berlinale. We promise you will make a wonderful film. Be proud of us.